chutties, how are you all? In our last class, we learnt A to Z sounds, right? And also we learnt more words from A to E. Today we are going to learn words from F to J. Are you ready? Before that, shall we do a small recap? A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A. Now next letter F. Yes, letter F. What is the sound of F? Sound of F. F sounds. Now fish, fish. Next frog, frog. Next fox, fox. Next flower, flower. Shall we revise this once? Fish, frog, fox, flower. Now next letter. Next letter? Yes, you are right. G. Letter G. G sounds G. G sounds G. G. Goat. G. Goat. G. Grass. G. Grass. G. Girl. G. Girl. G. Gift. G. Gift. Shall we revise this? G. Goat. G. Grass. G. Girl. G. Gift. Now next letter. What is the next letter? Letter H. Letter H. H sounds. H sounds. H. 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 House. H. House. Next. H. Horse. H. Horse. Next. H. Hen. H. Hen. Next. H. Helicopter. H. Helicopter. Shall we revise this? H. House. H. Horse. H. Hen. H. Helicopter. Now next letter. Yes, you are right. I. Letter I. I sounds E. I sounds E. E. Igloo. E. Igloo. E. Ink. E. Ink. E. Insect. E. Insect. E. Infant. E. Infant. Shall we revise this? E. Igloo. E. Ink. E. Insect. E. Infant. Now next letter. After I? Yes, letter J. Letter J. J sounds J. J sounds J. J. Jam. J. Jam. Next. J. Juice. J. Juice. Next. J. Jug. J. Jug. Next. J. Jeep. J. Jeep. Shall we revise this? J. Jam. J. Juice. J. Jug. J. Jeep. So today we learnt more words from F to J. If you like this video, press the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Okay? Thank you.